morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. This is a weekend in the life. Hey dear, happy new year, guys. This is a weekend in the life of a medical student, and I am a medical student. It's Saturday, and today in my hostel we have clean up, clean people and all of that. So we're having clean up in the entire hostel. So I'll be starting from my room, be going inside out. The guys have the floor, they have the grasses and all of that, but we have upstairs. So I'm starting from my room, that's in here, then I go out. I have a few things planned this Saturday. I want to go to the market. I want to go to the mall and get some things because school will be starting, like lectures will be starting next week fully on Monday, and I want to get ready for the week for the new lecture seasons. I'm done with postings, guys. Yes, no more hospital for me. So let's get cleaning. This is normal for boys.
So guys, I was born like decided to go and survival toolkit. That's what I do. Yeah.
Has Today has been crazy, guys. I did a whole lot of things, as you saw. I went, please let me sit down. I went to get some things at the mall. Basically, my survival things, like things I really cannot do without. And then I went for a meeting, a forum, a program, which I just came back from, like literally. And I'm trying to just settle down. It was an academic board forum. It's a CMDA forum. CMDA means Christian Medical and Dental Association. So yeah, that's what I went for. And yeah, I'm going to end my nights. I'll not really end it that way, but in my hostel here we have like movie nights today. So we'll be seeing a movie today. And like tonight, not really today. We're seeing a movie tonight. So the people that are going to be like the sponsors of the movie night are already setting up downstairs, and I'm so happy that I can see it from my room. I just need to take my chairs outside, and I pray that's the movie I want to see that they're showing right now. But yeah, that's what's going on, and I might probably end my night by reading something. I really don't know. That's under probability because I'm so stressed. I'm so tired. I still have to cook, but I might postpone that. But yeah, basically this is how my Saturday just went. This is an atypical Saturday actually. This is not how my typical Saturday will always be, because my typical Saturday does not really involve me going to get my personal, surviving toolkit. I call it survival's toolkit because, well, there are things you can't do without, like your cream, your soap, your provisions and all of that. Provision, I mean like your beverages. Yeah, so I call it survival toolkit. So that's what I basically did today, and now I'm seeing a movie. It's not every Saturday that this happens. And I also went for a program. The program is not every Saturday also. That's why it's an 8 Saturday. But yeah, stay with me guys as we watch the movie together and end my Saturday together. So I'm gonna see you guys when the movie starts. Somebody's at my door. My friend just said I'm obsessed with medical movies. Guys, the movie is over and the name of the movie was Countdown. Go see it. I don't want to spoil the movie for you guys. So go see the movie and comment down below what your thoughts were. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below. Tell me what you want to see. Tell me what you want to know about med school Nigeria. Tell me. I am here for you. I am here to serve you. So just tell me what you want to hear and I will definitely do a video on that. Don't forget, I love you as always. Bye.